Howdy! We have grown so much on YouTube since our first video was released in 2016. We cannot thank you enough for helping make Family History Fanatics one of the top genealogy channels here on the platform. We are the first genealogy and family history channel to offer channel memberships to YouTube viewers.
YouTube channel memberships is a perk for established creators that allows viewers to join and receive bonus content that isn't available on our regular channel feed. Now, this perk also helps us to get to know what you're researching and what your writing challenges are. Now, you may notice that there is a join button right next to the subscribe button. That's the channel membership button.
For the most part, nothing will change for subscribers and viewers of this channel, but most of the videos will remain accessible for you, while some will now become a part of the membership-only archive. The only major change that you will notice is that our live streams will be available for the public for a short while, and then they will be behind the membership as part of the archive.
When you join, you'll also receive loyalty badges that will appear beside your name whenever you post a message during a video or a live stream. Now, this helps us know that you are a family history fanatic just like us. The leaf icons will change the longer you are a member.
Now, our comment section below each video is starting to explode, and we're not always able to keep up. Namely this guy. So when we see those loyalty badges, you can be assured that we're going to respond fastest to your questions.
Channel memberships are designed for you to receive special genealogy education, which we love to do. Now, you'll have access to workshops and lectures that Devin and I have done virtually as well as in person. You'll also have access to monthly training sessions that are not accessible anywhere else online.
Additionally, you will have access to members-only live streams. Now, in these live streams, we will be able to dive deeper into the questions that you have in your research and your writing, that more than we can do for public live stream sessions. Additionally, we'll have a community tab on YouTube where you can post questions for Andy or myself to answer, as well as other community members, and stay abreast of the latest news just for channel members.
In short, joining the channel membership allows you to access more training and to help us know what content will help you and other family historians. Ultimately, it directly supports our video content that we make. For those who join, we can't thank you enough. You make it possible for us to do what we do for you.
Now, if you're unable to join, be sure to sign up for our newsletter. You'll find the link in the description of all of our videos. And when you do, you will be notified when we release new channel content. When you're watching the new channel content, if you want to continue supporting us, all you have to do is watch an occasional ad and share the videos out to your friends. Those two actions alone really help us a lot.
To join, click on the join button next to the subscribe button below. An archive of content is waiting for you, and new members only training is coming soon.